How to fix Instagram couldn't change photo or profile picture in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do to fix this problem is just keep watching this video until the end. It's actually very easy to solve. So all what you have to do is just open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks. After that, enable the airplane mode and then disable it again and go back. Now, all what you have to do is just go to the apps manager, go to apps, scroll down until you find Instagram. When you find it, click on it. Now here on this page you will find the app informations. Just click here on force stop. And after that, all what you have to do now is very simple. Just make sure that the data uses are enabled. Make sure that all those options are enabled. Now restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe.